Dust on my boots and a ticket to home. The radio hums the old love song. 2 passports, one and a skyline of lights. I chased the sun through 1,000 nights. But pictures fade on a hotel wall, and none of those faces could answer my call. My heart kept a map with a county line, a dirt road promise and a name in mind. I'm coming home to Gladys under that porch light glow. I'm driving through the midnight like a river to the road. Been gone for so long, but my heart never strayed. I'm coming back to Gladys, where my forever's made.
Did you know that the song you just heard was created in less than 5 minutes? No music producer, no recording studio, no expensive software, just an idea and AI. And here's what makes it even more interesting. You can generate songs, rap music, instrumentals, AI covers, and realistic voiceovers without needing any musical experience. The results sound professional, and for content creators, that's a big deal. Because let's be honest, a lot of creators are paying for AI music tools simply because they're popular. But after testing this AI music generator, I started wondering whether many people are spending money on the wrong AI music generator. Today, I'm going to show you the tool, exactly how this tool works, how I created the music you heard earlier, and why it might be one of the most underrated AI tools for creators right now. Let's jump in. Guys, meet TAD AI. Now, before discovering TAD AI, creating background music for my videos was honestly frustrating. I would spend time creating content, add music to our videos, upload them to YouTube, and then suddenly get hit with copyright claims. Even when using royalty-free music libraries, the options often felt repetitive and limited. As creators, we want music that feels unique. We want something that matches our content. And most importantly, we don't want to spend hours searching for it. That's why TAD AI caught my attention. Instead of browsing through endless music libraries, you simply describe what you want. The AI handles everything else. You can find the link in the description below. One thing I immediately liked about this platform is how simple everything feels. You don't need to learn complicated music production software. You don't need to understand mixing or mastering. You simply enter an idea and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Even better, every new user receives free credits after signing up, so you can test the platform before spending anything. Once you're logged in, this is the dashboard you'll see. This is where everything starts. You'll notice additional tools, including AI music, AI cover, vocal remover, and text-to-speech. On the side, you'll find your content library where all your generated projects are stored. There's even a mobile app available if you prefer creating music from your phone. Now, if we scroll down, you'll notice lots of songs created by other users. I actually recommend browsing through these examples, not because you need to copy them, but because they can spark new ideas for your own projects. And eventually, that's where every creator starts, with an idea. So let's turn an idea into a song. Scroll up and click on AI music. You'll see 2 different modes, Smart Mode and Custom Mode. Let's start with Smart Mode because it's the easiest option for beginners. Inside Smart Mode, you can upload files, add instruments, and customize certain settings. But honestly, you can get amazing results by simply entering a prompt. For example, a country song about returning home to the love of my life, Gladys, after many years abroad. That's it. You don't need a complicated prompt. Even something simple like a song about going back home to the love of my life works surprisingly well. Once you've entered your idea, click Generate. Within seconds, TAD AI starts building your song. It automatically creates the lyrics, verses, chorus, intro, and overall song structure. The first thing you'll see is the generated lyrics. If you want to make changes, you can edit them manually. Need a longer song? Simply click Expand and the AI will continue building it. Now, here's one of my favorite features: the style recommendations. Instead of forcing you to guess which genre fits your idea, TAD AI analyzes your prompt and suggests music styles that match the mood of your song. In this example, it generated 3 recommendations. Personally, I usually choose the first recommendation because it's often the strongest one. But feel free to experiment with all of them. You can also choose how many versions you want generated. At the top, you'll see different AI models available. For this example, I'm selecting Murica V9. Scroll back down, select the number of output. I will select 1. Once everything looks good, click Create. After a short wait, your completed song appears in your library. From there, you can play it, download it, share it, copy the link, or delete it. Let's listen to the result briefly.
Dust on my boots and a ticket to home. The radio hums the old love song. 2 passports, one and a skyline of lights. I chased the sun through 1,000 nights. But pictures fade on a hotel wall. None of those faces could answer my call. My heart kept a map with a county line, a dirt road promise and a name in mind. I'm coming home to Gladys under that porch light glow. I'm driving through the midnight like a river to the road. Been gone for so long.
Honestly, that's impressive. The mood matches the prompt perfectly. All we did was describe an idea. The AI generated the lyrics, suggested the music style, and created the complete song. Now let's move on to custom mode. This is where you get full creative control. Custom mode allows you to build exactly what you imagine. You can create either a full song or an instrumental. Let's start with a song. In the lyrics section, you can paste your own lyrics if you've already written them. For this example, let's create a song aimed at motivating YouTube creators who are not seeing growth yet. This song is to remind them that their efforts will surely pay off. They should not give up. Next comes the style section. This is where you describe how the music should sound. Maybe you want an energetic pop song, a motivational rap track, a cinematic soundtrack, or something completely unique. You can write your own description or choose from suggestions like pop, dance, K-pop, and many others. You can also select a vibe. For this example, I'll paste my style description. Then choose the number of outputs and click Generate. The beauty of custom mode is that it gives you complete control over the final result. Let's hear what it created briefly.
Yeah. Tablet creator staring at the screen right now. Wondering if it's worth it. Wondering if anybody sees the work. This one's for you. Another upload, another sleepless night, another thumbnail, hoping this one gets it right. 0 comments, low views on the page, but every legend started on an empty stage, yeah. Don't give up, don't stop now. Your breakthrough's closer than you think somehow. Keep creating, keep showing up, even when the road gets rough. One video can change your life, turn those struggles into shining lights. Keep that dream alive somehow. Don't give up, don't stop now. Yeah, late nights editing while the whole world sleeps. Planting seeds today that tomorrow keeps. Checking analytics every single day. Asking why the numbers never seem to stay. Friends don't get it, family got doubts. stars. Nobody sees what the crime's about. Hundreds of uploads, still chasing the spark. Trying to shine, while cremating in the dark. Sometimes
That sounds fantastic. Now, let's create something closer to my roots. Since I'm from the Igbo tribe here in Nigeria, I want to create a bilingual rap song using both Igbo and English. Here's the prompt. Generate a powerful, motivational bilingual rap song that mixes Igbo and English lyrics naturally throughout the song. One thing I love about TAD AI is its language flexibility. You're not limited to English. You can create songs in your native language and get surprisingly good results. Whether that's French, Spanish, Hindi, or many others. Let's generate it together. After entering the prompt, TAD AI automatically recommends a hip-hop male vocal style. Perfect. I'll select it and click Create. This song is designed to motivate anyone chasing a goal and refusing to quit to oppressors. Let's hear the result.
we're the heartbeat of the street. And in Nama, we won't accept defeat. They try to bury us under paper and pain. Corrupt hands counting coins while we can rain. Mama's tears, watered seeds, a revolution on their way quick. Still, we find solution. We hustle by day, dream by midnight. In what they own way, in our breath we keep the light. Chains of fear try to hold us down, but on your coach, we change the town. From the gutters to the rooftop sky. Honey, we refuse to die. When the system say no, we say why not? Unite the voice, give every dream a spot. Rise up in the air, break the silence. Freedom in our blood, feel the defiance. Rise up in the air, hold the line, and we're hungry for every heart they remind. Rise up in the air, singing loud. United we stand, no more trial. Rise up in the air, light the day. Together we go, together we stay.
How does that sound? Honestly, it sounds like something recorded in a professional studio. The mix of Igbo and English works incredibly well. Not 100%, but as a native, I enjoyed it. The energy is there. The delivery feels authentic. And everything started from a single prompt. Now let's take a look at AI Cover. This feature allows you to transform existing audio using AI-generated vocals. One important thing to remember is that it's always best to use original music. And that's another advantage of TAD AI. You can generate your own music inside the platform and then use that music for AI covers. That helps reduce potential copyright issues. Simply upload your audio or copy the link of the audio from places like YouTube, Suno, Spotify, etc., and paste it here directly. Choose the section you want to use. If necessary, trim the audio. Then describe the style or voice you want, and click Create. The AI takes care of the rest. Sometimes generation may fail if copyrighted music from another source is uploaded. But when using your own TAD AI-generated content, the process is usually very smooth. Once the cover is ready, simply preview it and download it.
I'm the only room in the whole damn world, and I believe it too. Your hand on my waist makes the night go still. I lose my shape, then I love that thrill. So take me close, let it stay this way. One slow pull, and I'm yours today. My heart.
Next, there is another feature that is blowing my mind. It is called Vocal Remover. With this feature, extract vocals or instrumentals from any track with one click. This is perfect for creating acapellas, karaoke tracks, or sampling other songs. After removing the vocals, you can preview them and download them. Finally, let's look at text-to-speech. This feature is incredibly useful for YouTubers, marketers, and content creators. Using it is very simple. Type your script, choose a voice, and don't stop at the first few voices you see. There are hundreds of voice styles available. You can preview each one before generating.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
For this demonstration, I'll use the James voice. Next, select your preferred language. The platform supports a huge range of languages from around the world. You can also adjust the stability setting depending on how natural or expressive you want the voice to sound. Then click Generate. Within moments, you'll have a realistic AI voiceover ready to use in your projects. Let's preview it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment.
Now let's talk about pricing. This is where TAD AI becomes even more interesting. Every new user receives 21 free credits when they sign up. That's enough to create approximately 2 premium songs completely free. If you decide to upgrade, the yearly Pro plan offers the best value with savings of up to 20%. In some cases, songs can cost as little as $0.12 each to generate. TAD AI also uses flexible credit-based plans, allowing creators to choose a package that fits their workflow and budget. So, before you spend more money on other AI music generators, it might be worth testing TAD AI for yourself and comparing the results. I've placed the link in the description below. You'll receive free credits when you register, and there may also be special promotional discounts available for AI Pipeline subscribers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to AI Pipeline for more AI tools, AI automation tutorials, and creator resources. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.